Good evening, guys.
Good evening.
Okay, today I'll be taking you through network topology, and by the end of this class, you should be able to define the term network topology and also identify different and also differentiate types of network topology. Can anyone read for us what is network topology? Nick,
Yes,
what is network topology?
a network topology is a systematic description of the arrangement of a network, including its nodes and connecting lines.
Yeah,
There are
topology.
two ways of defining network geometry: the physical topology and the logical or signal topology.
Yes. Topology is the arrangement of network in a systematic description, and it includes the nodes and the connecting lines. We have two ways of which you can define the network topology, that is physical and logical. And when we say physical, it means what we can touch or we can see. That is, physical topology of a network refers to the configuration of cables, computers, and other peripherals. Physical topology should not be confused with logical topology, which is the method used to pass information between the workstation. Logical topology was discussed in the protocol chapter. We have types of physical topology. Can anyone try to tell us any type of physical topology that he or she knows? Any trial?
Mesh topology,
Yes, you have the mesh topology. Other trial?
Bus topology,
Pardon?
bus topology.
Yeah, we have the linear bus topology. Uh, okay, here are some of the physical topology. We have the bus topology, the star topology, ring topology, the mesh topology, and the tree topology. For today, we'll be handling the bus topology and the star topology. We'll start with the star topology. What do you understand, or from your own view? I know most of you have seen the star. Now that also can be related to this star topology. A star topology can Sly, can you read for us what is a star topology? Sly.
star topology is designed with nodes, file server, workstation, and peripherals connected directly to a central network app, switch, or concentrator.
Yeah. From this diagram below here, you can see we have the star topology, and we have the central part, which is the concentrator or the hub, which it is connected by the nodes, which you have the file. It can be the file server, workstation, or the peripheral devices. We have the disadvantage of a star topology. One, it requires more cables length than a linear topology. Second, if the hub or if the hub, switch, or concentrator fails, nodes attached are disabled. That is, if the nodes if it is disabled, if the hub or fails, it won't able to work. That will cause the disability of it to work. It is more expensive than the linear bus topology because of the cost of the hubs. It is more expensive. When you will have to buy 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, about 5 of them. Compared to linear, you'll just have to buy only one. We have the advantages of star topology. Nick, kindly, can you read for us the advantages of star topology?
Okay, one of them is easy to install and wire. Number two is no disruptions to the network when connection or removing devices. The lastly, easy to detect faults and to remove parts.
Yeah, it is easy to install and wire in that it does not require somebody who has used it before. It's so easy to, as long as you have the concentrator or the hub and the nodes, it will be so easy for you to connect. Now we go to the linear bus topology. Now from the word linear, you understand it's something straight. Now a linear bus topology consists of a main run of cable with a terminator at each end. This now is a terminator, and also this at the end, it's also a terminator. All nodes, this now the file server, these ones, file server, workstation, and peripherals are connected to the linear cable. When we say the linear cable, it is this one that is straight. It is connected with all these nodes or the file server. Now we go to the advantages of linear bus topology. Sylvester, can you read for us the advantages of linear bus topology?
Linear bus
Advantages. Yes.
easy to connect a computer or peripherals to
It is easy to connect a computer or peripheral to the line bus. That is just you connect directly to the linear cable. Then it requires less cable's length than the star topology. We go to the disadvantage. Disadvantage of a linear bus topology, we have the entire network shuts down if there is a break in the main cable. When you see this cable here, if it is damaged, the whole topology or the whole thing won't work. Then we have the terminator are required at the board ends of the backbone cable. I had already shown you what are the terminators. Then it is difficult to identify the problem if the entire network shuts down. Lastly, not meant to be used as a stand-alone solution in a large building. From what we have learned today, uh, for our next class, we will do the other topologies. That will be your assignment. Go and read on the other topologies. And for the summary, can someone tell us what we have learned today?
topologies.
Yeah, we also have learned about the types of topologies. And that's all for today.